welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Last week we started talking about the drawing toolbar a little bit and the business diagrams tool that's on the drawing toolbar. If we choose insert diagram, there's 6 different types there. Today I want to talk about the org chart type. This is probably one of the most complicated diagrams to build. We'll kind of talk about the different ways that you can use the org chart toolbar to create great looking org charts. It starts out with an org chart with 1 manager and 3 subordinates, and you can just click in the manager box and type some information for the manager. And then let's say that I'm working for the manager, we have a VP of sales. Now if we want to add people that work for the VP of sales, while that box is selected, we want to go to the insert shape drop down and choose that we want to insert a subordinate. Click there and say that maybe we have the East region manager. And then this time we're going to insert a shape and say that it's a coworker, so someone else at the same level. The West region manager, and then another shape, another coworker, the Central region. Now you'll notice that our org chart is getting very wide here. It would be cool if we could change the layout of the VP of sales so that way those 3 managers were going down. And we have choices there of either left hanging, which will put them to the left, or right hanging, or both hanging, which actually takes up a lot of space. So let's go with the left hanging option. You'll see that my computer is whacking out here and the VP of sales words have disappeared. Let me click outside of the object and back inside the object. One of those bugs that's left over. Hopefully that'll be fixed in Excel 2007. And then you'll continue on adding the other people in the organization. The one additional shape we have here is the assistant. The assistant is someone who reports directly to the president, and it appears between the VP and the president. So you can type the name of the admin in there. Now once we have the chart set up, there's all sorts of different formats that we can use, from the basic blue to lots of different colors that you can make very interesting looking org charts. Now, it's possible for these to get very wide and very tall. You can probably fit 30 or 40 different people in an org chart right here in Excel without having to use Visio or any of the other tools that you might use to create an org chart. Org charts right in Excel on the drawing toolbar. Remember, we went to the insert diagram icon in the drawing toolbar. Hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.